Well, hello there and welcome to this all-important Trongate framework vote. We have an incredible framework here, if my lips will work. It's so cold. But I need your help because I have a technical decision to make. And it's all about file uploaders. At the moment, we have two uploaders. A single picture uploader, which is like this. Okay, so you've all seen this before, I'm sure. It looks something like this. And we have our multi-file uploader, which looks like this, okay? Now, at the moment, the single picture uploader and the multi-uploader upload to the public directory. So they won't be immediately on the public directory. If you have a module called books, then there will be a folder created inside the public directory, and it might be called books pics or books pictures, and that's where your stuff would go. That's how this all works, okay? However, today I'm asking you, should the uploaders upload to the public directory or to the module itself? Now, by the way, you see this one right here? It looks kind of normal, right? You've seen this before. Looks kind of normal. And it behaves very normally, as you can see. But it's actually kind of different, because if I just open this image in a new tab here, although it behaves exactly the same, if I paste in that URL, you'll see that I've actually uploaded to the module. So believe it or not, we have the power to do this. We can have it so that our uploaders upload pictures to the module instead of to the public directory. Now, there's a variety of reasons why you may want to do this or why you may not want to do this. And to save you a little bit of time, I've written down the pros and cons, okay? So, if we keep going the way we are and uploading to the public folder with our uploaders, well, the pros are, so the good things are that it already works, so there's nothing to do, and it pretty much follows industry norms. So people would expect that the books pictures will be in the public directory, maybe in an images folder or something like that, or an IMG folder. That's very normal, right? But one of the cons is that it breaks modularity. So visualize a situation where you've got a website with 100, let's say, flags of different countries, and you want to use that module on another site with your pictures. Well, if you have stuff in the public folder, well, now you've got your stuff in two different places and you have effectively broken the modularity. And remember that there's nothing really special about the public folder. It's just a folder, you know. So these are things to take on board. Now, if we go and say, right, let's make it so that these uploaders, these two here, let's make it so that these upload to the module directory. And I've already given you a demonstration of what that looks like. Well, the pros are that now we've got a truly modular setup. Completely. So if you build that module with all of the flags of the world and you have all those images there, well, you can generate that in a heartbeat, reuse it everywhere, and everything is self-contained. However, there are a couple of cons. One of the cons is it does have the potential to break stuff. And when I say break stuff, what I mean is specifically, some of you might go onto a page like this, and instead of that image being there, you might see that the image has not loaded. You may have to go in and tweak the image path here or there, that type of thing. So there is that, okay? And that's pretty much it. Now, just to let you know, there's really three options here that I want to put to you, and this is what I'm asking you to vote on. Option 1, we keep everything as it is and we upload to the public folder. If you think we should keep everything as it is and upload to the public folder, please write below option 1. And by all means, add in some comments, okay? Now, if you think that we should go with option 2 and change things so that we are now uploading to the modules directory, so you want this and this by default to just upload to the modules directory, please help us out and write down option 2. Option 2, of course, would be the modules directory. However, there is a third option that we can choose. And the third option is that when we are using the desktop app, an option comes up and it would basically say, when somebody says create an uploader, a thing would say that says choose where you would like to upload your pictures to. And they would be able to just navigate on their computer and say, I want to upload there. So that's a third option, okay? And we'll call that option 3, right? So, what would you like us to do? Option 1, keep everything as it is and we upload to the public folder by default. Option 2, change it so that we upload to the modules directory. Or option 3, make it so that the user chooses an upload destination. Please do let me know in the comments below, and if there's something that's an overwhelming favourite, then I'll go with that. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you soon.